My dear sisters and brothers, today Jesus has told us something when he told the synagogue ruler. Do not fear, but only believe. A few days back, we had heard many things on believing. What is believing? You see, when we have faith, we do not see, but we are having this hope that in trusting, we will get what we have asked for. And when we get it, then our belief begins to become more strengthened. So, you think that there has to be some kind of an experience which follows our faith. It may be, because when we go to a restaurant or when we go to a doctor, we have heard other people tell us about their experience of healing. And because of that, we also begin to believe that if we have our faith in Him, we will get what we are looking for. So it's connected. And so, my dear sisters and brothers, all of us who are coming here for Mass, we do have faith and we do have belief. But if we strengthen this, like we see the woman with the hemorrhage, for 12 years she was suffering, but she knew that if she only touched the Lord, even His garment, she would be all right. What about the synagogue ruler? Same thing. He believed that Jesus could heal his little child. She was sick, that she may live. So they came and said, no, she's dead, don't trouble him. No, he says, she's sleeping. So you see, let us believe in Jesus very strongly, because we have faith in Him. But we believe that what we ask will be granted to us. And if we have this faith, remember, whenever we ask Him something, it is already done. So let us become very positive in what we believe, that God has granted it to us in Jesus. And always keep thanking Him and praising Him, and you see miracles will be worked out in our lives. And these are all dependent on our believing and having our full trust and faith in Jesus. My dear sisters and brothers, let us ask for this grace. Let us hold our hands like this together, keep our backs straight, and at every breath, Jesus comes into us to strengthen our relationship with Him. It is based on faith and the belief that we have had many things granted to us. And on the basis of this, we can still have greater and deeper faith in the Lord, amidst all the things that are happening within us, in our family, in our country, in the world.